Today I'm going to share with you my Vietnamese lemongrass chicken skewers recipe. This recipe is packed with amazing ingredients that are not only healthy but also bring out incredible aroma and flavor. Let me talk about some of my hero ingredients. Number one are green onions. Next, lemongrass. I am using some frozen ones today. My secret ingredient is going to be Kaffir lime leaves. Of course, garlic is non-negotiable. It's in almost all of my meat dishes. And for flavoring and coloring, I'm also using some turmeric and paprika. Blend all of your ingredients together to form a thick and fragrant marinade base. This marinade is for 500 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs today. If you prefer chicken breast, go for it. Just remember, it dries out faster, especially on the grill, so don't overcook them. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. Then coat the chicken thoroughly in your marinade. Now every piece should be well coated in that beautiful paste. You might have seen my short on how to prep and freeze lemongrass for year-round use. Now, you do want to marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes, but if you can leave it overnight in the fridge, the flavor payoff will be worth it. I am using just the white parts of green onions. In Asian cooking, we often save the white parts for the marinades because that's where the flavor hits the hardest. Kaffir lime leaves. Traditionally, they are more common in Thai recipes, but I promise you a handful of crushed Kaffir lime leaves take this dish to a totally new level. If you don't have an outdoor grill, no worries, a cast iron pan works wonderfully. Add some oil and crank up the heat. When the pan is hot enough, the skewers should sizzle when they hit the surface. Cook about 6 to 7 minutes on each side without touching them. Do let them develop that flavor and char. While they are cooking, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a half teaspoon of hoisin sauce. If you don't have hoisin sauce, that's perfectly fine. Just use the honey with a splash of water. Now brush this glaze over the chicken. It adds shine and flavor and helps the chicken caramelize just a little bit more. Flip and brush the other side too. This dish is an absolute crowd pleaser, and if you're grilling them outside, the aroma alone might have your neighbors wondering over whether you invited them or not. Remember, if you're using chicken breast, don't cook it this long or you'll end up with lemongrass cardboard. Now look at this beautiful char. If you're not hungry by now, something might be seriously wrong with you. If you have a Vietnamese recipe in mind that you would like for me to try next, drop it in the comments. I love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more homestyle Vietnamese cooking. See you in the next one.